Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from group 007 Reality. We'll be presenting about our project which is face filter application using Unity software. Let's get started.
I will start with the introduction. Augmented reality display can take you to the reality where the real and virtual world are linked. It works on mobile and desktop device. Augmented reality use computer vision based recognition to overlay music, video, image and other sensor-based input on the real-world item using your device camera. The platform finds a marker where the user takes a picture of the real-world object. Our team intends to implement a face recognition filter which uses the Unity software. This is because, beginning in 2010, the prevalence of the front-facing camera in smartphones caused the popularity of the selfie to skyrocket. AR face filter have improved selfie after 10 years of the popular use. This face filter popular on the social media. Next is the problem statement. Face filter boosts self-confidence by making user more self-aware. This face filter issue have received the greatest attention. The face filter seems to make a people with a poor self-esteem feel guilty in conversation on social media. When using the filter on the smartphone, individual feels relief and more confidence. AR filter benefit us in many ways for many reasons. First is enjoyable, second is gameplay, and thirdly is participant action.
For objective of our project is to develop a AR face filter by using a Unity software. Augmented reality is used in face filter. The term of augmented reality is referred to the process of adding digital component to the actual environment in order to provide a 3D experience. We are using Unity software to make a face filter functional. As a result, when a face is identified, the virtual element of augmented reality are added to the screen and overlay over the user face and also the surrounding area.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Idham Firdaus bin Muhammad Zain, matrix number 279860. My part is to finish the report and video for this assignment by writing the introduction and problem statement. One of the hardest part of this task is discussing and coming up with the ideas for how to make sure it can be done without any problems, and finding information about the problem statement for the face filter.
My name is Somsa Anarki Somat, matrix number 2001. So my part in this project is to do objective of the project and also conclusion of the project.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurzatul Aina binti Razali. My matric number is 281083. So my contribution in this project is that I was assigned to help Azia in creating a face filter application. In developing the application, we find it difficult to set up the Apple developer account for iOS. However, we overcome it by turning on the developer settings in our device. In addition, I'm also responsible for editing the video presentation for this project. I use Canva and CapCut applications to prepare this video.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Nur Azia, matric number 281127. For my contribution to this project, as the leader, I was in charge of leading my group's project which is report, application development and video presentation. We divided the task into two sections which is documentation and application development. I act as a developer to create a face filter application using a Unity software. There were several challenges during the development of the application. I found it difficult to find the right face texture in the face filter. And the Unity software required a lot of storage, so I needed to clean up my space on the laptop. Nevertheless, it is a new experience for me to use the Unity software, and it will benefit me in the future. That's all from me, thank you.
My name is Nurul Marwani binti Abdul Rashid. My matrix number is 281230. I want to describe my part during the project is in progress until it has been finished. As a member of this group, I am editor for the entire AR face filter storyboard using Unity software. During the editing, I am using Canva editor and open source that can complete magnificently. Besides, I also recorded a video of myself to present the AR face filter storyboard and for my part's contribution.
Next, this project using the Unity software. First of all, open the Unity software and click the project that we wanted to create. So this is the interface of the Unity software. First of all, we will set up a face tracking, which has been written in the report. In the project window, we click prefabs and drag the face reference mesh into the scene. And this is our face filter that we created. Next, right click the face texture and rename it as a face texture. In the inspector, select the object picker to the base map property and choose the texture that we wanted to. So this is our face filter texture for this project. The face texture, and in the inspector change the surface type, which we wanted to be as transparent. Then in the project, we click the AR default and choose the material to face texture. Then click the face reference mesh in the scene view and unclick the face reference mesh in the inspector, and we will exit the prefab editing modes. To save the project, click Ctrl S, then open file, choose boot setting and click boot and run. Before that, add the open scene and click the scene basic face filter and choose the device that we wanted to, and boot and run. So wait the project to be run, and the access code will automatically appear, and make sure to plug in our device to create the face filter. The project will be automatically open in our device, so you can use the face filter application in your device.
A storyboard is a graphic organizer that comprises pictures or image exhibited in order to pre-visualize a motion picture, animation, motion graphic, or interactive media sequence. In this project, it has 6 panels to describe the entire progress face filter. From panel 1 is set up face tracking. Panel 2 choose face texture. Panel 3 applying the face texture. Panel 4 set transparency. In panel 5 is final prototype, which is latest result after applying face texture and set transparency. Lastly is final product, which is we test the face filter and how it turns out into our face.
In conclusion, user can incorporate digital thing into actual environment using augmented reality or AR. This effect can enhance our understanding of real-life experience in both entertaining and also educational way. AR filters are the social media version of augmented reality. The earlier filters that were published had a number of problems that made them hard to use, and such as not recognizing face, remaining on user face as they move, and having low quality visual greeting, and more. However, the filters have significantly improved over the past year, and those issues have decreased tremendously. The face filters are built just for the social media user. They can be accessed easily, affordable, and also accessible on social media like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and also Snapchat. Face filters for augmented reality are changing not just how individuals look, but also how they interact and also communicate. The social media world is changing as a result of augmented reality. Users can use the face filter to look more beautiful and also look funny if they are using an animal face filter. It will be interesting to observe how this face filter continue to develop and expand as their popularity grow.
So that's all from our group. Thank you.